you guys come to this airport, you can find a cheap food here. Don't worry. Show you. Yeah, we need to go to first floor. This is hidden space, not third floor. Third floor very expensive. We go to first floor. Let me show you where is the destination. Suvarnabhumi Airport. If you guys come to this airport, you can find a cheap food here. Don't worry. Show you. Suvarnabhumi Airport. So let me show you. You need to go to first floor. Yeah, we need to go to first floor. This is hidden space, not third floor. Third floor very expensive. We go to first floor. Let me show you where is the destination. Okay, after we come up from the lift, so we need to turn left here. Here is nearby the Ministry of Tourism and Sport. So, come show you where's the hidden spot of the Thai court. Many people don't know this hidden spot. So normally people go third floor. Third floor all fast food very expensive, but this one different. This one very cheap and authentic. A lot of stuff eat here as well. You need to go until the end of the junction. Hi, I have exciting news to share with you today. This is my first sales book. What 30 years in sales finally taught me is officially live on Amazon right now. I'm so happy to finally get this into your hand. It's my 30th of live work and my sales secret all in one place. Go and grab one on Amazon right now. I can't wait to see what you think. See you at the top. Yeah. Here we go. This one called Magic Food Point. This is the hot spot. Yeah, this is the hot spot. Yeah, you can see they have a bakery here. All style bakery. To buy for souvenir also can. Here is more cheaper. So those who want to have a halal food, they have halal food as well. This one have Thai. Some put noodles. Put noodles. You see the bakery. Very nice. This one the famous corn lanat. And Thai. Beef noodle. Who love noodles also have. You see the ingredient. Look at this. Porridge and ooh, you see all the ingredients, very fresh. as well. As you can see, the staff also come here to eat. See this one, staff also come here to eat. All the noodles, very good here. So those who like pork leg also have. Before you go, you can have tom yum. Those like salad here, this shop also have all of the salad. Those like curry, all curry. See the fish. Omelette rice. Fresh coconut, fresh fruit. Coffee. Coffee also have. All those here. See, the price very cheap. Very cheap here. This one chicken rice. And a nice chicken rice. See the chicken. See the all juicy, all gravy. Very nice. Yeah, here is the place you can find cheap food. Mostly staff here. Many people don't know.